Buddy Brian back here with a look at Kaspa. All right, you can see right here we had our five waves up. We had one, two, three, four, and five. All right, we're going to go over here. What could potentially be happening next here in some areas that we're going to need to break through here to get the higher prices here. All right, first over here on Bitcoin. This thing is looking good. We got that 12-hour just about reset on this thing, right up in that 702 Fibonacci area right now. The daily, they got the daily trying to swing back up here on Bitcoin. I think we're up about almost $1,000 today. $944, 68,889. All right, so and of course you got the 3-day. These ones here are still looking pretty good. The 3-day, the 5-day, just starting up here, and the weekly. All right, so it should be heading up towards that 84,000 range here. We put a fib on here. Of course, we got our fifth wave up here, so this is very crucial area to get through here. All right, we've had the daily closing candles up here, so we're definitely in the green zone here, as far as busting out through here. But gonna have to take out this top here at 73,835. Once we get that, be looking for that 84.4. That's gonna be our next stop up here. All right, over on the bubbles here, let's refresh that. There we go. Yeah, actually a lot of stuff turning green. A lot of this stuff was red just a couple hours ago. There's Kaspa, 40.29 million volume over the last 24 hours, market cap 3.17 billion, and down one spot to number 35. One thing I did not open here that I wanted to was the Kaspa FYI, so let's get over there and take a look at that real quick. I want to see if there was any major changes in the wallets, which I don't look till I do the videos. I don't like saving that for the videos, so I'm just as surprised as you guys are. All right, top addresses. Look at the petahash, 281 petahash. Man, that thing just keeps getting higher and higher. Nothing major last 24 hours at all. Nothing. The smaller wallets down here, I shouldn't say smaller, 100,000 to a million, that's pretty decent wallet. So is 10,000 to 100,000. But the smaller end, the lighter end here, you can see last hour here, a few dropping out there. But overall, nothing really to talk about right there. Okay, that dashboard, I do want to show you that petahash though, because that, and the blocks per second, transactions per second, no major changes there. But look at that, 280 petahash. That's awesome. Over on CoinGlass, let's take a look at the open interest here. See where it's getting at. Give me 2 seconds here while this loads up real quick. If I don't load up here in a second, we're just gonna skip over this. But I'd like to see that open interest here. I don't know why it's not loading up. And of course the big news there, the ETF's getting approved. That was pretty massive actually. Pretty huge. Alright, let's take a look here and see if real quick at Bitcoin dominance. That's another thing I really wanted to check out here on the rise. It's up almost, see it bounced off that trend line. Look at that. Fake out to the downside, sucked right back up in there. These fake outs, boy oh boy, and that is definitely a fake out, because this was right on trend right here. Look at fake out to the downside, rolled right back up. The daily is just starting up on that. So Bitcoin dominance, I would have been really shocked if it would have collapsed there. Looking up at that 60, that 60 percentile up here. You had 5 waves up right here, but this thing just keeps on going. I was looking for that 60% up there. All right, as far as the Dow Jones and stuff goes, the Dow Jones is, geez, it's only up actually 2 points. So pretty flat there. The Dixie, it's another thing boy, going sideways in here. Look at this thing, looking for it to get up around that 618, up at 108.9 here, and then have a rollover here for our alt season. Come down through here. Let's look at the what we got going. Nasdaq's up 172 points. How about Nvidia? Look at this thing. Look at that, heading up to that 1100 mark, the 1.618. Unbelievable. This thing has just been a powerhouse. Get that on there right. Good enough right there. Yeah, heading for 1100 bucks. That's the next stop for this thing. Unbelievable. It has just gone and gone and gone. Unreal. All right, so let's get back over here to this Kaspa charts and take a look here. All right, after we had these 5 waves up, what would you expect next? Normally an ABC. All right, if we need to break through, I'm going to show you here. Obviously, that's 618 and 702, right up through this zone here. All right, you can see this box right down here, just barely. All right, if we get up here and get rejected through this area, say we get rejected right there, you'd be looking at a correction down here to 12.3, 12.37, right in that zone. That would come right back down and retest our breakout area down here. Okay, so this is going to be a very, very crucial area that we get through. Let's get up here and mark this out so we know exactly what price range we're looking at. You're going to want to see it clear 13.9. All right, that's the 702, 1386. Call it 13.9. All right, going to want to see a breakout of that area. Now we have the 4-hour heading up here. The 8-hour just about reset. This is the one here. That 12-hour, coming straight down yet. We got our daily right at the very top here, looking like it wants to correct here. Of course, we got these bigger ones, though. You're going to have your corrections along the way. That's just the way it goes. The weekly, the 5-day are very bullish. That 3-day is getting kind of towards the top here. So first thing is first. All right, going to have to break through 13.9. If we get up here to 13.7, get rejected at this 618, then look for a correction back down here to 12. What was that 12? Roughly 12.3. Okay, that's this box right down here. All right, so if we do get, like I said, if we do get rejected there, then we're gonna have a B, C correction back down here, and then this thing should be ramped up and ready to blast up out of here again. All right, but we're gonna have our corrections in the meantime. This is the area, guys. Keep a close eye right on these numbers right here. 13.9, a break at 13.9, we're going higher. Then we're heading up towards the 15 cents. If we get rejected here to 618, then we're pulling back down here to about 12.3. 12.3, 12.4, right in that range. All right. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everybody. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.